Sirens in my head, but there's no fire. Every shot wants blood, every lie wants higher. Yeah. Every week a brand new sinner to shame. Same script, same race, different name. Virtue so loud like it's moral gold, but it's hollow when the story's told. Point the finger, call it justice now. Crowd gets fed, nobody asks how. Label first, facts come late. Burn the house just to feel righteous. Hey, you don't want truth, you wanna stay. You don't want peace, you want a cave. Crying wolf every day till the meaning rots away. Fake injustice, real disgrace. Same damn script, new outrage face. Crying wolf, screaming loud. Watch it drown in your own crowd. Everything's racist, everything rigged. Till the word don't mean what it fucking did. Oppression, cosplay, borrow pain. Weaponized guilt, moral cocaine. Attack first, never prove. Call it violence when we don't approve. I'm watching truth get bent for clout, and I'm running out of ways to tune it out. I'm at the edge now. Hear it crack, you crack wolf so much there's no coming back. When real blood spills, you'll scream again, but you killed the one and you numb the lens. This ain't justice, this is right. A fairy tale where lies get taught, and I'm done pretending I don't see the damage you're doing relentlessly. Crying wolf, one last time, till the truth gets left behind. You burn the signal, lost the plot. Now nobody listens when it's not. Crying wolf, this is me, calling bullshit honestly. I'm not cruel, I'm not blind, I just won't kneel to a manufactured crime.